Drafting tables are essential for artists, architects, and designers who need a comfortable and versatile workspace. The best drafting tables combine adjustable angles, sturdy construction, and ample surface space to help you work efficiently and creatively, whether for detailed sketches, technical drawings, or large-scale projects. Starting at number 1, SD Studio Designs Triflex Table. SD Studio Designs. Triflex drawing table is a versatile, sit-to-stand drafting and work table with a tempered glass surface and dual tilt adjustment. Its height adjusts from a traditional desk level, about 31 bars, up to a standing desk height, about 39.5, and the tabletop tilts up to 68 degrees when seated or 22 degrees when standing to suit drawing, drafting, writing, or computer work. Built with a powder-coated steel frame and side storage trays, it also includes a slide-up pencil ledge and stable floor levelers, making it ideal for home studios, offices, or creative spaces. Number 2. MEEDEN Wood Drafting Table. MEEDEN Wood Adjustable. Drafting table is a versatile art and work desk with a spacious 35.5 x 23.5 surface, adjustable height, about 29.5 to 37.5, and a tabletop that tilts from flat to around 45 degrees. It features a built-in pencil ledge to keep tools handy and comes with a bonus 24" T-square ruler for precise work. Crafted from solid wood with a stable cross-support design, it's ideal for drawing, drafting, writing, reading, graphic design, study, and creative projects in home studios or workspaces. Number 3. SD Studio Designs Craft Table. SD Studio Designs. Peace Comet Craft Table is a versatile art and hobby workspace set that includes an adjustable angled desktop and a comfortable padded stool. The large tabletop tilts up to 40 degrees for ergonomic drawing, drafting, or crafting, and features a 24" slide-up pencil ledge to keep supplies in place. With 3 storage drawers, an underdesk shelf for organizing tools, and 6 floor levelers for stability, this silver and black set is ideal for creative projects at home or in a studio. Number 4. Yaheetech Height Drafting Table. Yaheetech Height Adjustable. Drafting table is a multifunctional art and work desk designed for artists, students, and creative professionals. It features a height-adjustable frame and a tiltable tabletop, 0-60, that lets you switch between flat desk mode and angled drafting mode for sketching, watercolor, or design work. The table includes built-in storage like fabric drawers, a detachable side tray, a retractable board, and a lower shelf to keep tools and supplies organized, plus a comfortable, matching stool for long sessions. Number 5. FLEXISPOT Electric Drafting Table. FLEXISPOT Electric Drafting Table is a versatile sit-to-stand workstation that combines an electric height-adjustable frame with a tiltable tabletop, 0-40, to support drawing, writing, reading, craft work, and office tasks. The desk lets you switch smoothly between sitting and standing with programmable height presets, while the extendable foldable surface and built-in storage drawer keep your workspace organized and flexible for study, art, and creative projects.